Hello dear students, how to write a proposal, ISC proposal writing. Do check the pinned comment section because I have a complete series on proposal writing. I have solved multiple proposals till now. This is a video on request. Write a proposal to set up a badminton court and basketball court at school. How will you write it? First, use capital letters to write the heading. Underline the heading properly, neatly. Proposal to set up a badminton court and basketball court, a simple heading. After that, leave one line and write introduction. Use one single point to write the introduction. To boost the holistic development of students by involving them in sports at school, we propose to set up a badminton court and a basketball court within the school premises. This is the introduction, just a single point. To boost, you want to boost the holistic development, the overall development, social development, emotional development, overall development of the students by involving them in physical activity at school itself. We propose to set up a badminton court and a basketball court within the school premises. Students' linguistic ability is important. Do not make spelling mistakes and use punctuation marks at proper places. Format is important, so practice and go through a lot of reference proposals. After writing the introduction, leave one line and then write objectives. Underline two objectives. You may change paragraph or you may write the two objectives in a single paragraph also, no problem. Follow the instructions given at school. These courts will enable the students to play the games, practice them and develop mutual trust, teamwork, cooperation, acceptance of failures, discipline and responsibility. Since this is a reference proposal, I have given many points. So do not exceed the word limit and take points. Use these points and frame your own proposal. These courts will enable the students to play the games. They will be able to play the games in the school itself, practice also, and thereby develop mutual trust, teamwork, cooperation, acceptance of failures, sportsmanship, discipline, responsibility. This is the first objective. Second objective, I have changed the paragraph. This is optional. You may write in a single paragraph also, no problem at all. Such sports facilities will ensure better health and fitness. Objective, to ensure health and fitness of the students, help them have strong immunity of the students and also instill in them a passion and love for badminton and basketball. Just set up a badminton court and a basketball court and see how the students become involved and develop a love for these two sports. List of measures after this. Leave one line, list of measures, underline, leave another line and then use bullets. 4. List of measures. Do not use bullets while writing the introduction or objectives. The members of the school sports club, headed by a team of skilled professionals, will be in charge of the implementation and management of the project. How to set up the courts. And who will assist the members of the school sports club? A team of skilled professionals. We cannot do it on our own. The teachers will not do it on their own. They need the help of skilled professionals. So mention this in your list of measures. Second bullet, the members will look after the maintenance. Mere setting up will not do. You will have to maintain the courts and ensure there will be no damage to the facility. You need to look after the facility. And they will formulate rules and regulations in the use of the courts. You must be disciplined. You must use the courts properly. They will also decide the expenditure, the budget, purchase modern sports goods and equipments. So a mere court Just a quote will not do. You will have to facilitate it with proper equipments and sports goods. This will come under list of measures. Only 4 list of measures. A proper layout. A map must be prepared. A proper layout of the court with court dimensions. There is a measurement and you must follow that measurement, will be approved, and students will be given counseling. Why? Why must they get themselves involved in these sports? Why must they play these sports? The students must be counseled, given counseling, so that they develop an interest in these sports. After that, always end the proposal with a proper conclusion. We hope our proposal will be given utmost priority. A single line. So this is how you will write your proposal. And in some schools, teachers ask students to write their name and designation after they have ended the proposal. So this is optional. You may write your name and designation, or the name that is mentioned in the question along with the designation, or you may not write it. Optional. Just follow the instructions given at school. So this is the length. A single page. Write the proposal neatly, and the word limit 150 words.